In this video, I'll be taking you through a deep dive into individual video analytics. We'll be showing you on both the phone and on the desktop how you can access them and how you can utilize them to best understand how your video is being consumed. So to start off with, I'm going to click on my Learn to Make a Video the Basics on the left hand side on the phone. And then after clicking that, I simply click the View Analytics button you can see there. On the desktop, all I need to do is click on the video that I want to find. Now, you may get overwhelmed by some of the information that's here, but don't worry, we'll take you through each step. The first thing to note is that this Campaign Insights on the phone here covers a couple of different things. Campaign Insights come from utilizing our unique share URL, which is videomy.co/unique code. When you share this out with people, you're able to get a gauge for how many times people have come to that page. You can also get a gauge for how many views they've had and how many clicks they've done on the link itself. The big thing to know here is that a video view on our landing page counts as 30% of the video viewed. So it's not 30 seconds like it would be on YouTube, it's 30%. So this way, if you're creating short, sharp content, it doesn't have to be a full 30 seconds to count as a view. If you want to know more about those direct campaign insights, please reach out to your success manager. He'll be able to take you through how these work. So on the phone, you can see here the viewership. The viewership gives you an indication of people watching your content. So you can see that the main viewership is coming from organic content on this one. You can see that the video has been played for 18 minutes. So you can get the difference between YouTube and Facebook if you are going to send some stuff out there. At the bottom, you've got reach here. Now, I've got 0 on this video, but I want to clarify what reach is. Reach is when you kind of utilize sharing out your video in a public forum. And what happens is that the more views you get, you'll be able to get an understanding of different demographics. So if you get a video with, say, 500 views, when you hit that sort of mark, you'll be able to understand the gender, age, and location of a lot of the viewership that you're getting. So when you get that sort of information, it can really show you how people are consuming your content, where and when, for example. That also fills it up with the audience option at the bottom as well. Now on the desktop, you may notice there's something a little bit different. We've got a bit more information here. It's a bit more collated. On the desktop, you've got the options here of your landing page visits, views, and CTA clicks. What I will quickly run you through is landing page visits, as it shows here, is how many times the landing page has been opened. If you send out this unique link to one person and then to another person, and one person opens it 5 times, another person opens it 3 times, it'll count as 8. However, if you are to share a magic link using our Chrome extension, please make sure that you understand that every time you use that magic link, it will give you the same unique code. So it might be that you send it out to 10 different people and 10 different people watched it, but it'll still count as 10 views. The second part to this is views. As I said before, it's 30% on the landing page, so please make sure you understand that. And also the CTA clicks. So if you have a clickable link on your video, you want to get your click-through rate, you can understand the amount of people watching your content through the amount of people that click. Over here, you can simply get the amount of views on YouTube and the amount of Facebook views. One thing you get on the desktop, which is quite interesting, is this graph here. Now, this graph is a real-time indication of when people have been watching your content. Now, this particular video is around 21 minutes, and you can see we had a drop-off at around the 16-minute mark. So what this means is that we're able to understand how our video is doing when people are watching it, and we can see where major drop-off points are. As a little side note, if you're creating a job advert, for example, the average time that we'll see people dropping off is around that 1 minute 30. And the current statistics show that 20% of YouTube viewership will drop off your video after 10 seconds. So please bear that in mind when you're creating your content and also reviewing these graphs. So if you want to have a more in-depth discussion regarding the content of this video today and want to know more about your analytics, please reach out to your success manager when you have the chance.